Hello, I'm from Informatico.pt, and I'm here to explain how our remote IT technical support service works. Our remote technical assistance process is designed to provide you with fast, efficient, and secure IT support without the need for on-site visits. Here's how it works. First, when you contact us with a technical issue, our support team quickly assesses your problem through our initial consultation. We then establish a secure remote connection to your computer using industry-standard remote access software. Once connected, our certified IT professionals can diagnose and resolve most technical issues directly on your system. We can install software updates, fix configuration problems, remove malware, optimize system performance, and provide real-time technical guidance. Throughout the entire process, you maintain full control and visibility. You can see exactly what we're doing on your screen, and we explain each step to ensure you understand the solution. Our remote support service offers several key advantages: immediate response times, cost-effective solutions without travel expenses, secure encrypted connections, and comprehensive documentation of all work performed. At Informatico.pt, we're committed to keeping your technology running smoothly. Our remote technical support combines expertise, efficiency, and security to deliver professional IT solutions directly to your location. Contact us today to experience the convenience and reliability of our remote IT technical support services.